Painted terracotta pots. What you need: plain terracotta pots, exterior multi-surface paint, a brush, and painter's tape if you want stripes or patterns. Step 1. Wipe the pot down and let it dry completely. Terracotta is porous, so any dust on the surface will show through the paint. Step 2. Apply one thin coat of paint. Thin coats dry faster and don't crack later. Step 3. Let it dry fully, then apply a second coat for solid coverage. Step 4. Once dry, seal it with a clear outdoor varnish or sealant. This is the step people skip, and it's the one that stops the paint chipping after the first rain. $5 in paint covers a dozen pots. Pick one color and do every pot in your garden the same shade. That's what makes them look like a set instead of leftovers. Idea 2. Mason jar lanterns. What you need: empty mason jars, wire, a tea light or battery candle. Step 1. Wrap a length of wire around the neck of the jar, just below the rim, twisting it tight so it can't slip off. Step 2. Leave a loop of wire extending upward from the twist. This is your handle. Step 3. Bend that loop into a hook shape so it can hang over a branch, a hook, or a fence nail. Step 4. Drop in a tea light. If it's going somewhere windy, use a battery-operated candle instead so it doesn't blow out. Hang 4 or 5 of these along a fence line or low branches at different heights, not in a straight row. The uneven heights are what make it look intentional instead of like Christmas decorations left up too long. Idea 3. Ladder plant stand. What you need: an old wooden ladder, sandpaper, optional paint, or wood stain. Step 1. Check the ladder is stable. If any rungs are loose, tighten or replace them now before it's holding pots. Step 2. Sand down any rough or splintering edges. Step 3. If you want color, paint or stain it now and let it dry fully before moving on. Step 4. Lean the ladder against a wall or fence at a steady angle. Steeper is more stable than leaning it flat. Step 5. Place your largest, heaviest pots on the bottom rungs and lighter pots as you go up. This keeps the whole thing from feeling top-heavy, both visually and literally. Idea 4. Painted stepping stones. What you need: plain concrete pavers, exterior masonry paint, a stencil if you want a pattern, sealant. Step 1. Sweep and clean each paver. Any dirt left on the surface will trap under the paint and chip later. Step 2. If using a stencil, tape it down firmly so paint doesn't bleed underneath. Step 3. Apply masonry paint in your chosen color or pattern. 2 thin coats, allowing full drying time between each. Step 4. Once completely dry, seal with 2 coats of exterior paving sealant. This is what lets the stones survive foot traffic and weather. Step 5. Lay them out along your path with consistent spacing. Measure the gap between the first 2, then match that spacing all the way down. Consistency is what makes it read as a design path instead of stones that happen to be there.